Hey guys, today we're doing sink and floor. The things we're gonna put in the water is a minifig, a Lego jet ski, 3 cars, a monster truck, an egg, a ball, some leaves, a rock, and some coins, and a bowl, and another bowl, and this is the special one, which is a Lamborghini. Remember this minifig from the boat set? Where we're using him as a diver. 3, 2, 1, dive! Boom. And now he's swimming. And also he's wearing a life vest. And the minifigure floated. Light can float and heavy things sink. Float means when an object stays on the surface of the water and doesn't go down. And if you try to push it down, it just comes up. And now to just sink or float, what will it do? Oh, looks like it's floating too. Now we're gonna sink the rock. But we're not gonna drop it. We're gonna put it down slightly because it will break the glass and the glass will go in your eyes. And that will hurt a lot. But it sinks. Now let's see about the coins. This one, that sinks. And also let's see about this. That also sinks. And let's see about the ball. Wow, that floats. And this also floats, but when we fill it with some water, it still floats. And now we're gonna sink some salt. First the bus. Oh, that's floating. And now the school car. That sinks. And the monster truck, that sinks as well. Wow, it's kind of getting crowded in here. Oh, what's this? Something. Never mind. And the egg floats.
Go.
Okay, we're trying the real egg, but I have to put it slowly or it will break. And it sinks. Well, this sinks and this floats. And we're trying the leaves. Wow, it is floating. Let's see. How come it's floating? Oh no, now I have the final 2 items, the paper duck and the Lamborghini. Let's first try the paper duck. Go down. Whoa, well it floats. Now it's a big Lambo. Let's do a drop test. Drop. Ooh, that's made a big splish. I think it's sinking. But there's not any fluid. You hear the bubbles? I think we'll have to remove everything. So, these are the things that sink, and these are the things that float. The egg floated, the minifigure floated, this floated, but the Lamborghini didn't float. The duck is floating, and the leaves are floating. The ball is floating. I got wet and I changed my clothes. We're gonna reuse this water to water the plant.